welcome home, everybody. Looks like the new Oakley Meta has arrived. So let's do a quick unboxing here, and we'll see what they're all about. Okay, a little tab. Let's see if the box will separate. Maybe, maybe not. There we go. Box Oakley Meta. Open it up like that. Oh, that's a far cry from what the Ray-Ban box looked like, for sure. No idea if they're charged or not. The box inside looks very similar. So I'm assuming in here is probably going to be the booklet and all the other stuff. Got the white ones. Not sure I like the look of them. I like the specs, but the look I'm not overly sold on, that's for sure. Sorry, trying to do this one hand. So speakers here, microphones again, just like in the, oh, only one. The Ray-Bans had one on each side of the nose piece. I guess I got a light there. The Ray-Bans didn't have that on the back. On-off switch, same as the Ray-Bans. Another, I'm assuming, speaker. The button is certainly a lot more low profile than on the Ray-Bans. I think I just turned them on. I think. So yeah, that's what they look like. Still the same for the charging ports on the bridge of the nose piece. So yeah, I'm not sure I like the arms.
I do.
That's weird.
I like it. It's very Elton John-like.
Yeah.
That is Elton John.
I do like the color of the lenses.
Oh.
Put them on. They actually look good on her.
Elton John. Rocket
But
Man.
I definitely like the case better than the.
These are actually comfy.
Than the Ray-Ban
too.
case for
They're
sure.
not like they're not squeezing the side. They're actually quite nice.
And then.
Oh, there's the arms.
Yeah, and then under here is going to be the book and everything. The book and the
cloth.
Yeah, the cleaning cloth. The getting started book. All the same stuff that was in the Ray-Ban one. So yeah. So these are the upgraded Oakley version with the just shy of 4K lens. So for the cameras. Yeah, I'll give them a test run and we will let you know how they go. Another thing I wanted to mention, it's got rubber pads in the nose piece, but not on the arm, not on the inside of the arms. You would think that they would have something, especially since it doesn't curve down over your ear. And also, the ends are quite sharp.
Well, for a man, it must be, that's a weakness, huh? They're not sharp to me. Nope, that's not sharp.
It's very sharp. It's very sharp. I do like the color of the lenses though. So yeah, we'll check these out, throw a review up, and see what we think. Yeah, so stay tuned. And as always, thanks for watching and welcome home. I'm assuming, I haven't read the book yet, so I'm just going to go off a quick assumption here, but it looks to be, once you put them in the case, now they're connecting via Bluetooth, so then I can set them up on my phone. And then we go from there.